The Pakistani government has blocked our YouTube channel Indian Defense Updates in Pakistan, and this action stems from our videos showcasing latest satellite imagery of damaged Pakistani air bases, which were garnering significant viewership from Pakistani audiences. Times Now has credited Indian Defense Updates for cracking the code behind Indian Air Force's high-tech aircraft dig aimed at Pakistan Air Force.
We had 42 high-tech aircraft on our side.
See, you're putting words into my mouth. Why do you say fourth generation? Let us make it high tech.
Another video has emerged on social media that shows Indian Air Force's Akash surface-to-air missile scoring a direct hit on a Pakistani Fateh-2 ballistic missile. Pakistan has handed over the BSF soldier to India that had inadvertently crossed the international border last month, and India has handed over the arrested Pakistani ranger to Pakistan in return. A top officer of the Indian military briefed defense attachés and representatives from 70 countries on the successful conduct of operation against Pakistan, and India did not invite China's defense attaché for the briefing, and India also rejected Turkey's offer to send a junior officer. Top officials have confirmed that the Indian Air Force shot down 5 Pakistani fighter jets. That includes 1 Mirage 5, 2 JF-17 Thunder jets, 1 F-16, and an unidentified 5th aircraft, which is expected to be J-10C. Officials have confirmed that despite being illuminated by enemy radars, the Indian Su-30 fighter jets dodged 8 Chinese PL-15 air-to-air missiles and HQ-9BE surface-to-air missiles during airstrikes on Pakistani air bases. Following the success of the S-400 system, India has requested additional S-400 missiles from Russia, and Russia has responded in the affirmative. The Greek Air Force has shown keen interest in India's Rudram-1 and Rudram-2 series of air-launched anti-radiation missiles for integration with its fleet of Rafale fighter jets. The former Director General of BrahMos Aerospace has categorically dismissed false claims by Pakistani media that the BrahMos air-launched supersonic cruise missile can be intercepted by Pakistan's air defense systems, and he termed the false claim as propaganda. The Ministry of Defense is looking to fast-track the procurement of indigenous anti-drone systems that will counter enemy swarm drones' threats autonomously. Due to poor performance of Chinese weapons fighter jets and missiles by Pakistani military, Chinese defense companies saw significant declines today in the market. That includes the manufacturer of China's J-10C fighter jet and PL-15 missile. Indian defense sector stocks have again been soaring after the successful display of India's indigenously developed systems against Pakistan. The Indian government has withheld the Twitter account of the Chinese state-run propaganda mouthpiece Global Times and the Turkish state-run TRT World. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.